Welcome to Sapiens Spectrum channel, your daily dive into the depths of our past and the core of what makes us human. Today we embark on a quiet journey into the depths of our own minds, exploring a profound truth that has echoed through the ages. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." But what does this mean for us in the modern world? Let us delve deeper. Consider for a moment your mind as a garden. Each thought is a seed that sprouts and can either flourish or wither. Stoicism teaches us not merely to be aware of these seeds, but to cultivate with intention the ones that nourish us. In our daily lives, we are bombarded by external circumstances, events that are often beyond our control. It might seem that our happiness is at the mercy of these events. However, by nurturing a garden of positive, resilient thoughts, we can maintain our inner peace. This is not to say that we ignore the negative. Instead, we acknowledge it, understand it, and then guide our thoughts back to what is within our control. This practice of mindfulness and reflection is akin to watering our garden, ensuring that our thoughts do not become arid and barren. Write down your thoughts, reflect upon them. Which ones bring you peace? Which ones lead to turmoil? Through such reflections, you can begin to prune away the harmful, unnecessary thoughts that stifle your growth. Imagine the quality of your life when your mind abounds with thoughts of gratitude, love, and acceptance. These are the thoughts that strengthen our soul's resilience against the trials of life. As you move through your day, carry this image of the garden with you. With each step and each breath, remind yourself, you have the power to cultivate your thoughts, to tend to them with the gentle care of a gardener tending to their beloved plants. Let us strive, then, not for a mind overgrown with the weeds of worry and regret, but for a mind that blooms brightly, reflecting the beauty of well-tended thoughts. Remember, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Thank you for joining me in this reflection. May your thoughts be as serene as this garden, and your life as vibrant. Until next time, be well. Thank you for joining us today at Canal Sapiens Spectrum. It was a privilege to share this slice of history with you. We hope it sparked a flame of curiosity and a desire to learn more about the tapestry of human experience. For further exploration, don't forget to visit the links in the description. If you found today's journey enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of history and humanity's fundamental subjects. Until tomorrow, keep pondering, keep exploring, and remember, our past is the prologue to our future. Farewell and take care.